One of the time-saving features is now available on Canva. If you've worked on Microsoft or other softwares, you'd know that color pickers or the eyedropper is like literally a designer's lifesaver. So it's available, we're excited, and let me quickly show you how to use it. Both on Pro and free version is available. So if you wanted to pick any color on anywhere on the screen, not necessarily just on the picture, you select color and then you go to the color plus button, and next to the hex code there's that eyedropper, or pick a color from any design to use for your designs. So say we wanted this red, it picks the red. Say we wanted that black at the corner, it picks the black. So it is such a beautiful feature that's available on Canva now that you can enjoy and use and happy designing. I just want to show you how to pick it on a mobile or your phone. But in the comments below, let me know if you've seen it, if you've used it, if you're enjoying it, let me know. I'll show you just now on the mobile or on your phone. So thank you for joining me today with this tutorial. Jump in on this awesome video that we did on 5 ways that you can enjoy color on Canva. I'll see you next time.